Good day to you. Today we're going to cover how to install Anaconda 3.8. So install Anaconda 3.8. We're going to open up our favorite web browser, whether that be Microsoft Edge, Mozilla Firefox or Google Chrome. We're going to type in www.anaconda.com in the address bar. And then we'll download the Anaconda version matching our operating system. Okay, so here we've got our Windows. Alright, I'm going to first find out which version of Windows I've got. So I click on the Find button and I type sys and I click on System Information. Okay. Here it tells me I've got a Windows 10 Home Edition. I'm running a 64-bit system, so I'm going to want the 64-bit version of it. Okay, so I'm going to open up my favorite web browser, might be Microsoft Edge, and then in the address bar I'm going to type that address, www. www.anaconda.com. Hit enter. Okay. As long as you connect it to the internet, it will take you there. What I do is I click on this down option for products. I say individual edition. I'm looking for individual edition of it. If I scroll down, I'm going to click on this download option over here. Download. Okay, didn't like that. Going to go back to it. Anaconda.com. Go back to products. Individual. Try download again. Okay, that's better. Scrolls down, and as you can see at the bottom here, we've got for Windows, Mac or Linux. Since I have a 64-bit system, I'm going to choose the 64-bit option. As you can see, it's quite a large file, 477 megabytes. Okay. Says here, thank you for downloading. The download should start any minute now. If you are like me and not having any luck with clicking on this link, what I'm going to try is I'm going to right click and say copy link, because I see it showing as a repo underneath here, and then open a new tab. Okay. So I did that by clicking this plus here. Alright, so it opens a new tab, and then I would right click, say paste and go, and let's see if it starts downloading. There we go. Yes. So yeah, because I've been waiting for this thing to try and download and it isn't downloading. So I'm not going to let you sit here and watch it as it takes its hours to download, but yeah, when it gets to the end, I will continue. Okay, once it's finished downloading, it obviously does some security scan. is now finished downloading. We can click on open folder over here. We're now presented with our file that's in our downloads folder. We should be able to double click it to start installing. You might get a screen that shows very similar to this. Smart screen can't be reached, but you can just say run. Okay, I'm going to close these other screens down for now. As you can see, it's busy verifying the installer. Okay, it's got the welcome screen. Click on next. Read the terms and conditions of the agreement. Say I agree. I'm going to choose all users. Okay. Click on next. You should get a user account control screen that comes up. There we go. User account control. Do you want to allow this app to make changes? Say yes. I'm going to put mine into C Anaconda. Alright. I'm going to go ahead and say next. I definitely want to tick this option. Add on Anaconda 3 to the system path variable. And register Anaconda as the system path in 3.8. Click on install. Okay, there it'll say completed. Setup was completed successfully. And click on next and go to next. I'm not going to worry about the getting started ones. Click on finish, and that should be Anaconda installed. So if we click on start, and we're going to have a look for our new program. Over here, Anaconda. Alright, so this one is the PowerShell one, a prompt, and this must be the Jupyter notebook that everyone's talking about. So this is the one that is being recommended to use for running Python code in it. Okay, it runs a whole lot of DOS scripts and then opens up a browser. Okay, gives us a list of our folders in which to use. I'm going to go up. I'm going to really wing this. I'm going to choose new over here, and I'm going to say new Python. Okay. Okay, it loads this screen up here. So my sample is going to be print, and I'm going to say hello world. Okay, so it sort of does the auto closing and the brackets here. Let's click on run, and there we go. You can see it says print world. Alright, so thank you for watching. This has been a tutorial on how to install Python. It's also showing you how to run a sample code. I hope it's been useful for you for installing Anaconda and using this Jupyter notebook. Best of luck with your INF1511. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.